I was asked to teach a tune that I'm actually not that familiar with, and I had never heard before. It's called Sweet Little Julie, and it's a very sweet little tune in a double D tuning. And we get this from Norman Edmonds of Virginia, but I learned it from a YouTube video with Kirk Sutphin playing banjo and Greg Hooven playing fiddle. I think Wayne Henderson on guitar. It's in a double D tuning, and so you have a capo at the 2nd fret, and then your 5th string has to be tuned to A, and your 3rd string is also tuned to A. Then you have a double D, you have 2 Ds. Your 4th string is a D, and then an octave higher is your 2nd string. This one's tuned to E, so in our 1 position, we have to have our finger there, and that's our 1 chord. I will play along with these guys just for a second, so you can hear what the tune sounds like. Show you an alternate way to play a 1 chord. This is your 1, right? But you can also, if you're going to play a melody note that's like up here, this can make it easier. Also, if you're going to play these notes instead of doing this, it's handy to just make this alternate 1 chord where you could just hit the 2nd string and the 1st string. Okay, so to make that chord, which you're going to need, this will be on the 5th fret from the capo, right? And then your index finger will go there. And notice how handy that is for your little pinky to stick out there and hit a 7th fret thing. So we're going to start with a slide up to it. If you start with this one, it's handy because then you're ready to put your other fingers down. Or you can start and kind of do a partial slide, start up with this, and then start, and then kind of just rock to the. So we're going to start with that slide. It's going to go. And this is just a 16-bar tune, so you just got these 2 4-bar phrases. You repeat it, gives you 8 bars, and then you have another 4-bar phrase. So it shouldn't take too long to learn this tune. It's pretty simple and awfully sweet. Sweet Little Julie. So start at the 2nd fret. And slide up to the 5th fret. Slide diddy dum diddy bum bum diddy. So there's a little rest there. So it gives a kind of a little syncopated feel slightly. So try that again. We're gonna go slide diddy, and then put your fingers down. Bum diddy, and then 2nd, 1st diddy. Okay. Slide diddy dum diddy bum bum diddy. Now get your pinky in action here. So that's just bum bum, pull off bum. So that's pull off at the 1st string, 2nd fret, pull off, and then you're going to hit the 2nd string, but you're going to put your finger back down here. So it's kind of counterintuitive when you first start playing it in a double D tuning to try to remember to kind of keep your. You can leave it off, but it's a good habit to get into, I think, to get it put back on there. And then you're gonna go bum diddy bum diddy. That's the 2nd string, diddy bum diddy. So slide diddy dum diddy bum bum diddy bum bum, pull off bum bum diddy bum diddy. Okay, that's the whole A part. Now I don't know why I don't. Well, you could do it with this finger. It's fine. I'm going to confuse you by using this finger. My index finger tends to get sore on the end of it. It's like I have a nerve ending there that just, I use other fingers more than I use this one. But, that's the B part. Okay, so let's break it down. You're going to hit the second string first. Bum, diddy, pull off, bum. So you're going bum, diddy, pull off. That's on the first string. And then you're going to hit the second string. I'm also going to put my finger back down here. So, okay. Bum, diddy, pull off, bum. Now, you could just do this hammer on that comes next on just the first string. But you could also kind of arpeggiate just a really nice and have a little bit fuller sound, and that's what I would do. So bum diddy pull off bum, hammer on diddy bum diddy. That's the first half of the B part. So second diddy pull off bum, strum and diddy, third string. Okay, so here's the second. Bum, diddy, and then we're going to do a drop thumb on the first and second strings. And then a pull off on the third string at the second fret. And then put your finger back here at home place, and then second string, third string. Bum, diddy, drop thumb, pull off, bum, diddy, bum, diddy. So that's the whole B part. From the beginning and tune. Sweet Little Julie. It's a nice little tune.